Sri Virendra Kataria, Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, N. Rangaswamy, Chief Ministers of Puducherry, V. Narayan Swamy, Minister in the Prime Minister's Office and in charge of Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions, Sri P. Kannan, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, Professor Chandra Krishnamurthy, Distinguished Vice Chancellor of this University, Dr. J. Sampath, Registrar, Pondicherry University, distinguished faculty members, staff, and officers of the Puducherry University, recipients of gold medals, doctorate degrees and other degrees, deans, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear students. It's a great pleasure for me to be here today for the 23rd convocation of this university and see the exuberance and excitement in the students who have come for the venerable occasion. I am also glad to have made use of this opportunity to visit once again your beautiful state. It is a beautiful city which evokes instant appreciation for the grand mansions, beautiful boulevards, placid promenades. It's birthplace of great Tamil poet Bhartadishan, another illustrious Tamil poet, Subramania Bhartiyar, chose this place to write some of his memorable poems. Sri Aurobindo came here to establish a globally revered ashram. Dear students, this university was established in 1985. While going through the profile of this university and the report of the Vice Chancellor, I could not help but admire the remarkable way in which this seat of higher learning has 15 schools, 37 departments, and 10 centers. Over 400 faculty members today teach over 6,000 students. Courses in 175 postgraduates and research disciplines. It also has 87 affiliated colleges that enroll over 5,000 students. It is truly emerged as an educational hub in the southern region. I congratulate you. The state-of-the-art facilities in the university have paved the way for a student-friendly and result-oriented academic environment. University has pursued an education-led development in the region. I am happy to note that it has adopted villages and initiated interactive programs with local communities and bodies. Dear students, convocation is a red letter day in the academic calendar of any university. It marks the culmination of a phase of learning. I congratulate all the students who have received their degrees and diplomas today. Graduation symbolizes the beginning of a new journey where knowledge and skills acquired by you in your alma mater will be put to test. There will be times when you will find success easily and times when you will feel when we will face adversity. The trying moments will test your mettle, your hard work, discipline, commitment, and determination will help you navigate through the difficulties and rough terrain. Perhaps, well, for meeting the life's challenges, do not leave any chance to regret in future. The role of a university in the life of a student has been eloquently described by the first President of the Republic, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and I quote a few lines from his observations. A university is or should be an artist's studio where not clay, nor stone, or wood has to be molded or cut or chiseled into shape, but where human beings with different temperaments, varying capacities, changing moods, and limitless variety of what may be called hereditary tendencies or sanskars have to be put not only into beautiful shape, but also rendered into useful instruments that can serve others and, what is more, serve themselves well. The product has to be not only accomplished gentlemen and women, but also truly useful and serviceable members of the society, loyal, helpful, and sacrificing citizens of a country. Unquote. As students, you have had the benefit of a progressive educational system. As you now enter a stage where you can give back to your society, make your contribution and make it count. India is an aspiring nation. We can reach the zenith, but it requires sacrifices and contributions from all. You are all capable and intelligent minds. It is your duty to take our country forward, do all that is necessary to realize the country's goal.